What country is the best friend of Pakistan? Why? Answer. 1. Turkey. Turkey and Pakistan have many mutual trades, and these countries also have military relations. Their friendship goes way back when there were British ruling India. The Muslims of India, pre-independent Pakistanis, helped Turkey in Turkish War of Independence. Also they share mutual cultural and religious relations. The supreme leader of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, also admired Turkey and its leader Mustafa Kemal Ataturk for his work and dreamed to base Pakistan upon the Turkey modernism. 2. China. Well, it seems so obvious that China has been the best ally to Pakistan since its independence. It is because that Pakistan was one of the first countries to end official diplomatic relations with the Republic of China on Taiwan. Their diplomatic relations were established in 1950 and military assistance began in 1966. Their economic cooperation began in 1979. Now China is the largest supplier of arms to Pakistan and third largest trading partner. China also helped Pakistan in telecommunication as it helped Zong to earn the first 4G license. Now these countries have visit each other too and have a free ongoing trade. These are the two countries which have been good to Pakistan, but some other countries also have great friendship with Pakistan like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Kenya, Canada and many others.